I'm Akila.
I'm Rox.
And welcome to the Fabiani Style Studio. Today's style hack is going to be how to make a refined monochrome color palette work for your wardrobe.
Absolutely. So when combining black and white, when you're pressed for time and with minimal effort, here's our guide to take you through monochromatic dressing for all occasions.
Now, a black suit is an absolute essential in any woman's working wardrobe. But why not take things up a notch by opting for a silk lapel tux, just for a little bit of added everyday luxury.
Pair a tux trouser with a crisp white shirt for the boardroom and accessorize with a black holdall bag and masculine chic bows.
Now this look really means business, but one more thing that I like to do is to button my shirt all the way to the top. I just think it gives it like that extra chic something, you know?
Absolutely, super sophisticated, yeah. Formal events can be quite daunting, especially midweek. It's good to have a couple of go-to pieces.
Exactly. So why not give a black on black look a twist by pairing a beaded little frock with your tuxedo jacket just popped over your shoulders, you know, for some rock and roll chic. And then just pair it with some black pumps and you're good to go.
Monochrome doesn't have to be dull. That's why we love this hand-drawn floral print, which transforms a simple blouse into an inspiring piece.
So the way that I like to wear this look is just to pair this super easy blouse with these tuxedo trousers and some kitten heels for some added simplicity and just a really nice feminine silhouette. So that's your super quick and easy monochrome essentials edit. So all you need to do is invest in pieces like these and you'll be ready to go from your desk to dinner.